Run a fish tape from the front right frame all the way to the back of the truck. Secure the hose with electrical tape or duct tape and make sure it's extremely tight so that it does not slide off while pulling through the frame. Make sure to give yourself enough slack to reach the engine compartment. That's where you'll be tying off into the wiper fluid line. Snip the existing wiper fluid line where shown and insert the T-fitting provided in your kit. Attach the hose that you ran through the frame to the open end of the T-fitting. Then snip that hose about 3 to 6 inches away to insert the shutoff valve that was also supplied in your kit. This position is on and this position is off. Drop the tailgate of the truck and remove all the T30 screws holding in both of these panels. Set both panels to the side. Pull the hose all the way through this hole. Then insert the one end in this hole and pull through to the one side of the tailgate. Make sure all slack is taken out of your hose. Close the tailgate, then open the swing door. Use a plastic pry tool to remove this piece of conduit. Separate each tab on the conduit so that you can route the hose through the inside of the conduit as shown in this clip. Once you've routed the hose through the entire piece of conduit, reattach the conduit to its original position. There are 4 10mm nuts that you will have to remove, shown in each position here. This will allow you to remove the camera trim piece from the tailgate. Use a plastic pry tool to remove the trim piece. There are multiple tabs holding it in, so you might need to use some force to get this out. Disconnect the electrical wires before you entirely pull off the trim piece. Line up template 23 as shown here and on our installation page and make a mark using a marker. Check the back just to make sure there's nothing that you're going to hit when you drill through. A center punch helps to get the drill started in the right spot. We recommend using a step drill and drill a 5/16 hole. Use the small O-ring found in your kit and place it over the nozzle, then insert into the hole until flush. Take the nylon nut and fasten the nozzle as shown in this clip. Snip roughly a 12-inch section off the end of the hose, then insert that onto the nozzle you just put in the trim piece. Take the check valve included in your kit. Make sure the arrow is facing in the direction of flow. Reattach all the wiring you disconnected prior, and then put the trim piece back onto the truck. Reinstall the 10mm nuts, followed by the 2 panels you took off at the beginning. Test your system and enjoy your ClearVU.